Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to another Stock Lock Sunday. This time I have a vintage Chubb, and it's a smaller Chubb, kind of a Chubbette. And here's the bidding on the key, which is kind of brutal. And it's the regular offset Chubb, and on the key it says Chubb. And there's not much on the lock, but if you look very closely, it says Chubb London there. And if you look back here, it says 369. I don't know if on these models, if that's really what it was made, or if that's another number. If anybody knows, that would be cool to know. Put that in the comments. It does work very smoothly. So I don't know if I will be able to get into this or not, but I have picked it, but doesn't give a whole lot of feedback. And what I'm using is a chopped up Chubb key and this homemade pick wire. So let's see if I can get in here. And I have picked it twice, but each time it took a very long time. And I wasn't, it wasn't like other Chubbs that I've picked where I got a lot of movement, you know, 2 or 3 times I got movement, and then you're feeling, oh, I'm close. I don't know, I know this is really bad, but lighting, but it's the only way I can open some of these, placing them down here. But what I was saying is that on both of those picks, I did not get the feeling that I was close, but yet it did spring open. So I thought I'd give it a try. There we go. You know, what happened, what I felt that time was I let off just a hair of the tension, and it seemed to either drop a lever back down to where it needed to go or something. Let's see if I can work around. There we go. We got that out. We got that spun. And we are open. So that's the fastest I've done that. Anyway, if you know more about this, love to know. I don't know if it has false gates or not. On one picking session, it felt like I did get into a false gate because I was getting no more movement, no more kind of a lockout feel. So, but I don't know for sure. Anyway, thanks for watching Stock Lock Sunday. This cool old Chubb. It's kind of a Chubbette, actually. It's here's the regular size Chubb. So it's quite a bit smaller. And of course it's a different configuration. But anyway, there you go. Hit the like, leave a comment, ask a question, and we will see you next time.